AI is supposed to be neutral. But what if I told you it might be the most dangerous form of racism yet? Today we are breaking down how AI really works, where bias slips in, and why it matters for non-white communities. This is not science fiction. It is happening right now in jobs, schools, and healthcare. By the end of this video, you will see why we must expose the truth about AI and racism. What is AI really?
Artificial intelligence is not magic. It is not some superbrain. At the core, it is numbers and rules. AI works through data and algorithms. Data is the information. It could come from history books, medical records, job applications, housing reports, even posts on the internet. An algorithm is a set of instructions that tells the system how to use that data. Together they form patterns and make predictions. Think of it like cooking. The recipe is the algorithm, and the ingredients are the data. If the recipe is solid, but the ingredients are spoiled, then the food will still taste bad. The same is true with AI. If the data is poisoned by racism, the results will be poisoned too. AI cannot think for itself. It does not ask questions about fairness or justice. It does not care about human values. It only does one thing well: learning patterns from the data it is given and repeating them at a massive scale. This is why AI is so powerful and so dangerous at the same time.
Where does AI bias come from?
Bias in AI comes from the data, and the data comes from us. Every record, every report, every decision made in history gets stored as information. That information becomes the fuel for AI. But history itself is full of racism. So when AI learns from that history, it learns the racism too. For example, when I typed Negro into Language Tool AI, the system told me to replace the word with African American. And I have to be honest, seeing an AI system tell me to replace Negro with African American was painful. That moment stayed with me and pushed me to start the series, Racism Rewired, where we go deep.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.